you?
Yes, now okay. Now
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
okay?
Yes, ma'am. You have to keep it closer, then, or else the sound is.
Okay. Closer means I should catch always like this because okay, both the work is not possible for me. Okay, let us see. Try.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now that is the next topic is data handling. Okay, now data handling plays a very important role in our daily life. Can you tell me some example data handling?
Ma'am,
Yes, all of you mute, others. Yes.
ma'am, we in data handling and all we use in schools and all, like for checking
Now,
which is.
data handling means you are collecting some information from students. That for the last test, you are asking your friend. Who is your friend? Adi Ishwar, I am asking how much marks you got in maths. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I am asking. So Adi Ishwar is telling 1 mark, 20 or 18, whatever is there. Next one, I will ask Al Asfan, how much you got Al Asfan in maths. So I am collecting the information from each student. What I am collecting? Steve, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
No.
Ma'am, but I can
Now
hear you.
disturbances?
Ma'am, no disturbances. Ma'am,
Voice is slowly, voice.
No, I am keeping here and telling now.
Now it's okay. Now it's okay.
Now it's okay. Okay. So I am asking Adi Ishwar how much marks you got in maths. And
20.
then I am asking Al Asfan how much marks you got in. Yes, I can hear. All of them can hear. Okay. So that now I am asking, collecting some information. Then asking the students, Adi Ishwar, how much you got? Ajol is not at all coming. How much she got? And the next one is Al Asfan, how much marks he got? So they will be telling about some marks. So what you are doing there, Zeba? What you are doing there?
Ma'am, nothing.
You are collecting the information. You are collecting the information or you are recording the data. Data means is nothing but a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. What is the first word in data handling is what is meant by data? What is, yes, what is meant by data?
ma'am,
Data means
ma'am,
it is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. Collection of numbers which are gathered to give some information. That is called what? Data.
data.
And you are handling that data. Handling means what?
Ma'am, like keeping the records.
Some numbers connected to, now you want to know the marks of the students of each student in your class and who got the highest, and who got very less marks. So these things you should know about the collecting the information of marks from each student. Okay. So he got 12, someone got 18, 20, and most of them got 20 marks. So you can say 5 students got 20 out of 20. And you can say that some of them got 1 mark less, who got 19 marks, who will come as the second position, who will come as the third position. You can inform it. You can confirm it. Okay. These are called what? Data. What is meant by data?
Ma'am, your voice is again low.
Yes.
Your voice is low.
Here I can adjust.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Now okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Before it was keeping a distance.
Okay. Now it's okay.
Yes, now it is okay, ma'am.
Okay. Some adjustment. Okay. Now, so that you are going to, the data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. Some information you are collecting.
Ma'am, can you keep it
Yeah,
closer?
ma'am. It is less now.
Okay. So, a data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. The data is nothing but it is a collection of numbers gathered to form some information. Okay. So that is called what? Data. You are asking the students the marks. So what is the data you are collecting? 18, 12, 20. These are all called.
And we are collecting information from the students.
Yes. What are the choices? The choices are your marks. And what are the numbers you got? Student A got 12 marks, because I'm not telling any particular name. Student A got some marks, 12 marks, or student B got some 18 marks, student C got some 20 marks. Then you can say that who got the highest marks? Student C got the highest, because he got 20 marks out of 20. Therefore, you can compare the marks, and you can, then you are collecting the information. What information you collected?
Ma'am, the information of the marks.
Information of the marks. So what are the numbers you are taking there? What are the numbers? 20, 12,
Ma'am, 80. Sorry.
18
and 17.
Ma'am, 90.
These are called what?
and
Data.
Data.
What are the numbers you are collected? That
Ma'am,
is called the
Ma'am, it is the information of the marks.
Information
it is
about the
information
marks.
of particular topic.
okay information about the marks.
particular
Now
topic.
you want to go for picnic. So you want to select some food for that, or fruits.
Ma'am, your voice is again low.
So you want to collect some fruits from the shop, and you are asking each student. Student A liking apple much, and student B is liking banana. Student C is liking orange most, and again student D liking banana more, and student E is liking again orange. Student F. F, any names you can give? Student
Ma'am,
F. Yes.
Ma'am, banana.
Banana you can say.
Ma'am, so
Apple.
banana is
So whatever is there,
more.
now you can classify. How many bananas you should collect by?
Ma'am, 3.
3 bananas. Number of bananas you should buy from the shop is 3.
3.
And you can just count. And oranges, how many oranges you will buy?
Ma'am, 2.
2, ma'am.
Oranges. And next one, how many apples you should buy?
Ma'am, only one
Only
apple.
one example.
One apple.
So totally you have to go to the shop and buy 3 bananas. That is 3 kgs or whatever it may be. I am telling about just a simple example, because you cannot write more than that. So that 3 kgs of banana or 2 kgs of oranges you can buy, or 2 bananas like that. So that
Okay, ma'am.
so what are the things you are buying? These are called your choices. What are the choices? Your choices?
Ma'am, choices are banana, orange, apple.
Orange apple.
Orange and
Banana, orange, apple.
orange and apple.
Apple.
Banana, orange.
Banana, orange and
One apple.
so if you are considering like this, it will be difficult for you to judge more. So you have to collect it. So you can take some tally marks there. You can put some marks. Tally marks. It is called the tally marks. And then you
Ma'am, tally marks means like putting lines.
Simple. Is simple to control.
frequency. First one, what is the first one? Apple. So where you will mark? In the
Ma'am.
column of apple you have to put
Marks.
Ma'am, apple only one.
banana. You see
Ma'am, 3.
second.
Ma'am, 3. Banana 3.
Ma'am,
Next one, orange, 1.
And
Again, banana, 1 more. Again, orange, 1 more.
orange, ma'am.
ma'am, and banana one more.
Banana again.
Banana, one more.
And you can count and write now 3, this is 2, and 1. So
1.
easily you can compare which fruits you should buy more.
Ma'am, banana.
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 Buy more banana, and which number of, so if you are arranging like this, that means that is called the classification of data. First, whatever you are writing, that is called the recording of data. You are asking and writing, then it is called what? Recording of data. Is it clear? Recording
Yes,
of
ma'am.
data. How many apples you
Yes,
want?
ma'am.
That is only just recording. You are asking the students and you are writing. Okay. Next one, you are classifying it. And it is called, the classification of these numbers is called organization. Organization of data. Okay. Organization means simple way also you can do
Ma'am,
it.
a group, is it a group? Like making
You are
group?
making into different groups, and not about the class groups. You are only telling about orange, apple, banana, simple group. Orange, how many oranges you need? How
Ma'am,
many
we have to buy 2 oranges.
oranges? So, which fruit they are liking more? Students are
Ma'am,
liking
banana.
banana, they are liking more.
Banana.
And
Ma'am, so
any
from this
fruit
we
they
can
are liking,
understand which is
all this you
more
can
choice.
consider is seeing this picture. Okay, is it clear now? That is
Yes.
called what? First step, what you are doing there? Recording a data. You are recording some data and you are organizing it, and then you are judging it, which is the number of fruits you want to give more. Is it clear? Which
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
interpretation. What is it called? Interpretation. You are
Interpretation.
judging that. Who got the or who want more?
More.
Which fruit you need more? That is called
Banana.
interpretation. So 4 definitions are there. First definition is a data. What is meant by a data? Data
Ma'am,
is
it
a
is,
collection
a
of
information.
information. It is a collection of numbers.
Collections of numbers get information.
Okay, let us see now. Again, so first, what is the first definition? First definition is what is meant by data.
Data.
What is meant by data?
Ma'am, it is a collection of numbers that
Collection of numbers
the
gathered to
information.
some information. It is a collection of numbers which is gathered to form some information. Okay. Now, what is meant by organization of data? You are classifying into different tables. So what are the columns you should make?
Ma'am,
What is the definition of data handling? Then a data is a collection of numbers
Gathering
gathered
to
to
give some information.
That is the first definition you can write. Data. What is first heading you write? Data handling. Data handling heading. Chapter number 9.
Nine only. Page
Page
180.
184 page number.
184. Chapter 9. That is called the first definition you can write. What is meant by data? What is meant by data? What is meant by data? A data is a collection of
Numbers gathering to
gathered to
some
some
information.
information. Some information. Finish writing. Shall I change the next?
no, ma'am, no.
No, you
No,
are
ma'am.
writing.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you muted your audio. Who did not mute? Atul, are you following now? Allah's fun. Vaiga. So first definition you write, chapter number 9, data handling. A data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished all of you? Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, can you take that please?
Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Finished. Next one more
ma'am.
definition. Yes.
Finish, ma'am.
Next write recording data. What is the definition of recording data? That definition I did not write. Recording data. writing all the information, writing all the information is called recording. Writing all the information is called recording the data. Data means the numbers you are collecting and you
Ma'am, data means is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information.
give some information.
I finish.
Finished.
Right.
Okay. Now I will give some examples. Right? Recording data. First one, name of the bowler. A. How many runs scored? 40. We are collecting the bowlers distribution. Then name of the bowler A. Runs scored 40. These are all recording data. What you are recording? Name of the bowler and how much runs they scored. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the name of the bowler. Bowler A, and these are the information you are collected. How much runs they scored in the matches. Name of the bowler is A. Yes. That is the example for recording a data. What is meant by recording? You are writing the information. That is called only recording. First example you can write. Name of the bowler is and runs scored. One example for recording. A. Who got more runs here? Who got more runs?
Ma'am, bowler D.
Bowler
D.
D. And who got less?
Bowler D. Bowler D. C2. Bowler C.
So you can say easily who got the highest and who got the less. Anyone is having equal runs? No.
No.
Not having. What is the maximum number of scores there? Run score is where you are using all this in your daily life. In cricket matches, you will be using all this information. Yes or no? Yes. And
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
want to know the number of marks of each student in each school, you are collecting some information and you can say that who got the highest marks. So these are, shall I change the screen? Next one. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Now, name and items. Name A.
Ma'am, we have to write the examples.
Example 2. This is example 2. Name is A. He is liking apple more. B is liking orange more. C is liking banana more. D is again liking orange, banana. So from this you can say how many students like oranges and how many students like apple and which is the fruit they are liking most. Everything you can come to know by seeing this. So what is it called? These are all recording data.
Ma'am, shall we write it?
Yes, second example you can write.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I finished.
finished. All of you finished?
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Organizing the data. What is meant by organization of data? You write the definition first. Organization of data. Arranging in data in an organized manner. What is meant by organization of data?
Arranging data in an
In an
organized manner.
organized manner. You are organizing this data and you are writing it. So what is the first word? How will you define it? What is meant by data and what is meant by recording of data and what is meant by organization of data? Organization means nothing but you are classifying into different groups.
Ma'am, can you show the examples?
Yes. Which one?
The examples which are before.
Examples. You can write items, items and people. Item is banana. How many people are liking banana? 2 people. Oranges. How many are liking? 4 are liking oranges.
Ma'am, according to what before table, according to that we are writing this table people.
According to what you are collected.
Ma'am, if we are setting the last table only 3 oranges was there.
Okay, no, just any example. That's all.
Ma'am, we can write any example.
Any example you can write according to your wish. Okay. So only thing you are arranging the data in an organized manner. Banana, how many people are liking banana? 2 people are liking banana. Oranges, 4 people are liking.
And apple, 1 people.
Apple, 1 member is liking. Which fruit is liking by all?
Ma'am, it is
Orange.
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 Orange is the fruit that most of the people like.
Yes. Next I will see and otherwise I will tell one example. Okay, don't want this. We can write some more examples here. Okay, now prepare a frequency table or organize the data. You can say
Ma'am, ma'am, in this what is choice?
what?
What is choice?
Choice is apple. This one no, don't write this question. Don't write
Ma'am,
this.
your voice is low.
Ma'am,
Don't
can
write
you
this
keep up?
question. Okay, don't write that question. I will tell you now.
Ma'am, which question we have to write?
Yes, I will tell you. Arranging data over now.
Yes, ma'am.
Arranging data finished.
Organization of data. Afterwards, you can write. Next one, you can see that. So these are called, you are organizing some data. Now, how will you make it into different groups? That is the next item, okay? So you are collecting the information from the students and you are asking who is liking the more fruits. Now we can go for next one. You can prepare some frequency table. How to prepare this frequency table? How will you arrange this fruits or whatever you are collecting the information? Okay? What is meant by data?
Ma'am,
Anyone?
data means
Data is
Only one. Group answering. Steve,
Ma'am,
can you tell me what is meant by?
ma'am, a data is a collection of numbers gathered to give same information.
Yes. Eh,
Right. Ma'am, a voice.
where you are using it mostly?
ma'am in the schools.
Ma'am, into school.
In school you are using, or in cricket matches many are using. So
Ma'am,
who
in
got
And
the
items
ma'am in the games and all.
games and all you are using?
and prices.
Yes. Where? Yes. Many field you are using this collection of information. Okay. Then in social studies, in science, everything you are using all these branches of maths. It is very helpful because you are collecting the information and you are grouping it. Now you can say that who got the highest marks. Okay, now we are going to prepare some tables, or you are arranging this, you are collecting the data. What is it called?
Ma'am,
Data.
Data handling.
Data handling, no. Collection, recording
Ma'am,
the.
it is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information.
Yes. Now you are collected some information. That means you recorded some information. Okay. You recorded some information. If you record some information, it is very difficult for you to find out which is the good one, or who got the highest marks in maths, or which quality is good, how many students, if you are going for a picnic, how many students want oranges, different examples you can say. Okay, now you are preparing a small table so that it will be easy for you to identify it. Now you can see some small table. Okay, so first question you write, prepare a frequency table. First question you can write, prepare a. Yes. So you are, what is the first step you are going, did recording you recorded some data already, and now you are going to arrange in different groups. So first question is, can you see the board clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
I'm going to do, I will change the color. So first question you write, prepare a
We can write in notes.
table.
We can write in notes.
Yes, you can write in notes. Prepare a frequency table, or in another word, or prepare a frequency table, or organize the following data. What is the second step you are going to do it? Organize. Organize the following data. Organize the following data. Organize the
Ma'am,
following.
so we have to do any one of that.
I will give the examples. You can write it. So what you are going to do it? You collected some information from the students. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you collected some. Herin, are you following now?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are going to, what is, now if you are orange, apple, banana, if you are writing like this, it is very difficult.
Very low.
Voice is
Yes, 18, 12, 6, 5. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Voice
Yes,
is
ma'am.
okay?
Ma'am, when you are keeping that mic closer, we can hear more louder.
Okay, now 12, these are informations, 12, 18, 6, 5. So it will be very difficult who got lot of information. 50 students you are collecting the marks. Okay, 50 students like this you are collecting the marks, 20, 25, 22, 24, 23, 18. Now don't write it down, just listen.
Okay, ma'am.
So like this, you are collecting the information from the number of students from all of your students in your class. How many students are there in your class? 36 students are there. You are collecting all the information from the students. What is it called? Adi Ishwar.
Huh?
You are asking the students and you are writing the information. What it is
Ma'am,
called?
data.
Data.
No.
Ma'am, data.
Information of data.
Information of data. What is another name?
Ma'am, data handling.
No. Recording of data. You recorded all these marks. 18, 12, 6, 5, 20. You recorded all the marks.
Marks.
Now, if there are 36 students are there, you cannot easily say who got the highest marks, who got
Yes,
the
ma'am. Yes.
failed in maths. It's difficult for you to identify. Okay. So for that, you are organizing some data according to different marks. Okay. Now
Okay,
you are
ma'am.
placing some data like that. Now next one. You are going for a picnic. You want to collect your teacher or you want to collect some information. You want which fruits you should take more. You can carry some fruits. For that, some collected, very less number of I am giving because it will be difficult for you. So some information they are collected, recorded some data, you write it and you can make it an classified form. Then you can say which fruits you want more and which fruits they are liking more or which fruits they are. So first information about the marks, that one over. Now you are collecting some information about the fruits. Okay, you can like that you
Okay,
can
ma'am.
say about the numbers also. Apple, first one you write. Apple. Banana. Apple, banana. Then third student told that also he is also liking banana most. Fourth student he told orange. You are asking, you are recorded the data. First student you asked, he told he is liking apple more.
Ma'am, the student A told apple,
He is liking
student B
banana.
told banana.
We can write this.
Yes,
Ma'am, can you?
yes, next
We
one.
can write this.
Fourth student also told orange and fifth student also told he is also liking orange.
We can write this.
Yes, you can write this. And last student, sixth student, I am telling about sixth students at present. Okay, it will be easy for you to handle it. Apple, banana, banana, orange, orange, banana.
Ma'am, so how to draw write a frequency table?
I will tell you.
Ma'am, so how
I will tell you. I will explain that.
No, ma'am. For that we have to write this fruits.
Yes, question you write. Afterwards, I will explain how to write it.
Ma'am, question means that question.
This is the question. Recorded banana fruits. Prepare a frequency table.
Ma'am, like this only we have to write.
Yes. Banana, apple, banana, banana, orange. They are liking. One more orange. So it will come as 7 students. These are the first student he told apple he is liking. Second student he told banana.
Ma'am, in this we can't say which is the more.
Now it is difficult for you to identify how many kgs or how many bananas you want to buy. Kgs also you can say or how many bananas also you can say. Okay. Now you have, now listen here how to write it, how to classify it into. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the question. And make it into a frequency table or you are organizing this data. Okay, you are organizing. So you can write how many items are there? Steve, now one more.
6.
Stand still. How many items are there here? How many items are there?
Ma'am, I can say
Tell me.
7. 7, ma'am.
7
Seven
students
items.
are there. 7 students. You collected the information from 7
students.
7 students. Roles. How many items are there here? Apple, banana.
Orange, banana.
Sorry, ma'am.
Apple, orange, banana.
Apple. Ma'am, 3 bananas, 3 orange, 1
Yes,
apple.
these are the items you are collected. So
Yes,
you collected
ma'am.
it for yes. Aldos.
Ma'am, I was saying that 3 orange, 3 banana, 1
Don't
apple.
say now. Don't say it now. Okay. So you collected some information. What is it called? Collecting the information, Vaiga.
Ma'am,
Don't say now. Aldos, keep quiet now. Please unmute your audio. Yes, Vaiga. Yes, recording data. You are recorded some data from 7 students. Only very less number of students we can take first. Okay, 7 students you collected the information. Okay, now you are going to, what is the difficulty, Atul? What is the difficulty if you are writing many number of students are there? 6 or 7 means you can say easily, but many students are there. What is the difficulty? Can you unmute and tell me? Yes, Atul.
Question.
What is the difficulty if you are arranging like this? Because you are recorded the data.
Ma'am,
Can
I
you
can
tell
say.
me? Yes. Atul, unmute and tell me.
Ma'am, I can say.
Tell me who is that?
Adi.
Adi, tell me.
Organization of data.
No, no. What difficulty? Now, if you are arranging so many students' marks, 36 students' marks you are writing in a...
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Ma'am,
Yes, now is it okay?
no, ma'am.
Still it is voice is not there?
Ma'am, now okay, now
It's
okay.
okay. Now it's okay.
Now it's okay, okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Tell me now.
Ma'am, we can't. We don't know how to bring the how the kg of the
Yes, because
fruits.
if you are arranging in an organized manner, it will be very easy to identify who got the highest marks. And now second case, you are going for a picnic and you are want to buy some oranges or banana. So who needs, which fruits you need to buy and how much fruits how many kgs of fruits you should buy. These are the things you can easily identify. So you are only recorded the data and now you are going to, what you are going to do it now, you are going to organize it. So how many students you are taken into consideration at
Ma'am,
present?
but the question was not that.
Yes, Aldos?
Ma'am, so what is the answer of that question?
I will
What
tell you. I am
what
going
is the
coming to that point.
difficulty?
Listen now. I am coming to that point. Okay. Now you are going to organize this data. How to organize this data? There are 7 students are there. So you can write. First one you can write your choices. Choice. In the first column you can write it as choice. Is it sound is okay now?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
So you can write here choice. First column you write it as choice. Second column you can write it as some marks. Don't say about, and it is called tally marks. Second column you can make it as tally marks. And third column you write it as frequency. 3 columns you should make it for. First one is your choice. Second one is tally marks. And the third one is frequency. Alaswan, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Writing. Your video is off. Ritha, Fayaz. Sebastian, you can leave the class. Why you are sitting here, Sebastian? Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
You are in 6B. If you want to sit, you can sit. Karin, your video is off. Ritha. Ihan's video is off. Yes, Fayaz, are you listening? So, these are choices. Don't write anything now. What are the choices? Yes,
Ma'am, what is F?
frequency. FR, short form I wrote. Frequency. That is, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Fayaz, on your video, why it is off? Gautam is there. What are your choices?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your choices here? Tell me your choice.
Apple,
Yes, first one is apple.
apple, banana,
Then banana.
banana, orange.
Orange. Banana. Orange.
Only Gautam I told. Others, all of you mute. Yes, apple. Second one.
Banana.
Second one.
Banana.
Oh, okay, banana you can write or you can write orange.
Orange.
So 3 fruits are there mainly. First one, apple, banana, and orange. And last one, are you following? Now, what is the first one, Zeba? What is the first one?
Apple.
Apple. Where you will mark? Which column you will mark? In the column of apple, you draw one line. Apple.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you want to mark, if you finished means you can mark like this with pencil. No need of writing with the pen. What is the second one, Adi Ishwar?
Banana.
Banana. Where you will mark, Vaiga? Where you will mark?
Second column.
Second. Where is second?
20 marks.
Where is second?
Three lines.
Banana.
3 lines, ma'am.
Is there. Which
Yes.
row you will mark? Banana, like that.
Ma'am, the third
Third row.
one.
Third one. Yes. You have to write.
Three banana, ma'am.
So, next one, you can mark here banana column 1 row. Otherwise, you will get confused. Take one by one. What is the third one, Harin? Third one. Unmute. You are muted now. Yes. Now you are unmuted. Tell me. Which column you will mark it?
Ma'am, can I say?
Banana. Here you have to mark it.
Ma'am, again one more.
Again one more. So you should mark one. Then Atul. This one over. Banana over. What is the next one, Atul? Atul. Any problem in your video?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say, Steve?
Steve, tell me.
Ma'am, orange. Orange.
Orange. Where you will mark?
Ma'am, on the third.
Second column 1.
On where? Tell me all together.
Ma'am, orange in second column 1.
Yes, next one.
Orange.
Last one. Where you will mark next one? This one over. Third one. First one apple, banana, banana over. And orange. 2 bananas are there. Marked here. So fourth one also finished. Fifth one, Ihan, where you will mark? This over, this one over. Where you will mark fifth one? Ihan, unmute and tell me. Yes, where you will mark?
Orange.
Orange. One more column you should mark it. Next one.
Ma'am, banana.
Again
Ma'am, it is
banana.
Banana.
Ma'am, and
Again orange.
3 orange.
Okay. Now how many oranges are there? So you can
3 orange.
1, here 3, here also 3. You should count 1 and 3.
Ma'am, 3 oranges are there, and 3 banana and 1 apple.
1 apple.
Small number I told you. Next class we can discuss about more numbers. How to,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. And here these are called the frequencies. Some examples I will give in the next class. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
It is clear.
Evening is there in the class 4:25.
Class is there.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please?
In 4:25.
425 we
hear.
can do the remaining problems. Okay. So what you are going to do it now? Data handling. Listen first. Don't say any answers now. It is collecting the information and you are organizing it and you are telling who got the highest, and that is called the interpretation. Or recording data, organization of data and interpretation. Recording, interpretation and organizing of data is called data handling, or it is a branch of maths which is called statistics. Okay, it is called the statistics. More problems we can do in the next class. Bye bye, see you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.